Hello, everybody. I'm Burk with Shared Science in Long Beach, California, where creative kids dive into STEM fun. You're watching Python Bytes, a series of short lessons to get you started programming in the Python language. This is Lesson 0, where you'll get an overview of Python and learn how to set up your computer to code. There are no prerequisites for this lesson. It's appropriate for ages 8 and above. You must be able to type and have basic computer skills. Grown-ups are welcome too. You'll need a computer, a Chromebook, or a tablet, anything that can run a browser. You could also use a smartphone, but it's going to be hard to see everything on the small screen. Python was first released in 1991, and today it's one of the most used programming languages, and also one of the fastest growing. What's so cool about Python? Well, it was designed to be easy to read and easy to learn, so it's a great starting point for beginners, but it's also quite powerful. It's available for just about any computer operating system you can imagine. Oh, and it's free and extraordinarily well supported. Tens of thousands of code libraries are available to help you build just about any program you can think of. You can check out python.org for much more about Python. You'll write your first Python program in Lesson 1, but before we can dig in, you'll need software. When you're just starting out learning a new programming language, an IDE or Integrated Development Environment makes your life much easier. We'll be using an online IDE called Replit, which supports dozens of different languages, including Python. Point your browser to the Replit link below this video, or type in repl.it/languages/python3. That's it. Creating an account is not required, but you won't be able to save your programs easily. As always, if you're a kid, ask your parents before sharing your contact information. For homework, create a Replit account if you want, and bookmark it so you can find it again. Okay, you're ready to code. Thanks for hanging with Shared Science. Tune in to Lesson 1 for more creative engineering fun. Not right now.